Hello crafty cuties, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you what's in my October daily kit and just kind of show you how I am preparing to do October daily. I'm trying to keep it very simple. While I know this might not be very simple to some people, it is to me. Yeah, and if you don't know what October daily is, it's simply a daily journaling challenge where you basically do some type of journaling every single day, and whether that be with a photo, with writing, with art, whatever you want, you can make it your own. And you know what, if you can't do every day, that's fine too. This is just a little peek at my journal. If you want to see it in depth, then check out the video probably right before this. But this is my journal, and so I have this little organization bin kind of thing with all the things I'm hoping to use, and I'm really going to try and keep it to what's in here because I want to use these things up. So I'm kind of going for a muted and pastel fall vibe for this journal. I have these cut out because I actually want to make some embellishments ahead of time using these. So I just have them here so I don't forget. But yeah, you see there's some muted colors, but also some pastels. And I don't want this entire journal to be super Halloween-y, if that's even a word, but also mixed in with just fall. So I just have these cut down because it's going to be really easy and they're a good size to use in my journal. Of course, I'll have to cut them down, but they fit in here well and they're not taking up a lot of space. We have those papers. I'll just kind of put things back as I go. Over here is some seam binding. I do like to use tags a lot, so I thought these would be good. I like the colors. I also have some scraps of really pretty lace I'm thinking I can use, some cheesecloth, and then I just grabbed a few washi tapes. Like I said, I'm trying to use things up that are in my stash already. So I kind of just grabbed a few washi tapes that I really like and that I thought I could use up. And I may end up grabbing some more Halloween themed items as we go along, but for now this is just kind of what I'm feeling. This is what I think I'm going to want to use. I have a few inks. Inks are just a really simple way to add to your journaling pages. Here we go. And I use these three colors a lot. I have my little ink sponge, super dirty. I have my Tombow Mono Aqua Glue because this is going to work for any type of project that I'm doing in my journal. Scissors, of course. I grabbed this watercolor set. I think these colors are gorgeous and they're super fall. And I don't use watercolors enough, so I'm hoping that I end up using this. I may have to grab some watercolor paper, but I do like to experiment with watercolors and try it on different papers. Just some double-sided tape because, again, trying to use things up in my stash, and I had that. Some little embellishments here. We have enamel dots in the colors that I'm kind of going for. I have this embellishment pack. All of these are just gorgeous and exactly what I am vibing with right now. And then I have some like journaling cards that are already cut down. This is just one tip I have for you if you're doing a daily journaling challenge, is have things cut, have things ready to go, have embellishments made. Like I said, I want to make some embellishments with these because when you have like a layered embellishment that's handmade, then your daily entry can be so quick by just putting a photo down and an embellishment on top and you're good to go and it looks like you spent a lot of time. So I have some tags. I mentioned I like to use tags a lot. And then I have a few Halloween themed things that I'm hoping to use. Just some different bags. I thought this was cute. It reminds me of Arlo because she's obsessed with cats. Some vintage little bags here. And then these are just from last year. These are some of my Halloween printables. I have these in my shop. But like there's a little pocket tag, which is perfect for a journal entry. I have some other random little vintage things that I've wanted to just use up. More tags. These are going to be good for inking or watercolor. Some guest checks. I just liked the color. Some more glassine bags. Of course, I'm not going to be able to use up everything that's in here, but you know, I'm just trying to give myself some variety. This is some really pretty handmade paper I bought a while ago and I forgot about it. So I grabbed this because I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to use this up. And then I have a few of my first photos printed and ready to go so that I can hopefully stay on track. So that's everything that I have in here. and kind of just ready for me to start using. So I like seeing what other people have. It kind of gives me ideas for how I can organize my little area. So I hope that this helped you guys, give you an idea of what I'm working with. And definitely, if you are doing October Daily or you like watching these videos, please subscribe. I'm going to be trying to film some of my entries in my journal, probably not all, but I will definitely be sharing any of the videos that I film where I'm making embellishments or anything, because you can use those ideas for any types of crafts. Really, it doesn't have to be October Daily. So I will see you guys in another video. I am just loving getting back into making videos for you guys. It's lovely. So leave me a comment down below and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.